Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to switch on or off screen touches in screen recording into a HUAWEI Nova HI. First of all, need download and install from App Gallery X Recorder application, this one. Then go into this application and go into settings. Then scroll down and find show touch option. And here we got information. For activate this option, need activate developer option, and in developer option need activate show touch. So go into settings and check, maybe you activate your developer options already, so go into, and here I don't get developer options, so go back and go into about phone. And now need click for build number until we see message we are developer, so click it, and now get message I am now developer, and go back. Then go system one more time, and here got developer options, click. Then need scroll down and find show tabs option or touches. Oh, this one, show tabs. Activate this option, and now when we screen recorder into our HUAWEI Nova HI, we see the screen touches when the screen recorder is activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.